Hello friends, I'm BBPraveen. Today we are gonna learn Photoshop. In Photoshop, I'm gonna teach you with the Photoshop 2021 to 2.0.0 version, and what you are seeing is the home page of Photoshop. And if you want to insert your own picture from the File Explorer, you have to click on Open. So you can take your own picture from the File Explorer. Or you want a blank page in any color you want, any size you want, you have to click on Create New and go to Custom, and you can change the width and the height, and you can also select the default Photoshop size. And if you want to change the color of it to blue or black or green or anything, you have to go to Custom and you can change the color. So I need only white, not any other custom colors. So I'm clicking on OK, but I'm not gonna create now. So I'm gonna click on Close. So now we are gonna learn rectangular marquees tool in Photoshop. And I'm selecting a sports car pic from the Google Pics. And now, if I want to cut off this area and this area, I only want this area, means now I can use rectangular marquee tool. And the shortcut of this is M. Okay. Now let's use this tool. We have to drag and select the area what we want or don't want. There are two different ways that we can take only this picture out. And I have selected this area, and I can simply take off this area and just delete this. Now same as that, I can just make over here and just delete that area. And now I have selected all the areas which I don't want, and I have deleted those. And there is another way that we can make. The another way is we have to go to that rectangular marquee tool again, and we can select the area which we want. And then we can just take off this area. So now let's go to the home and just create a blank page. Now I'm gonna click on Create. And now I have selected this car, and I'm gonna click Ctrl C to copy, and I'm gonna click Ctrl V to paste. And to make this size bigger, we have to select this first and click Ctrl T. That means transform. We can make this big or small. And after you make your size, you have to click on Enter on your keyboard. And now we can just delete this now, and we can delete this also. So I have this thing over here, this picture over here, sports car picture, which I have cropped. So if you have forgot to change the color when you are creating this page, you can now also change this with the help of this tool. This tool is called Paint Bucket tool. You can just select the tool and you can change the background. And now I need a blue color. So this color is nice. So I'm gonna click the OK. And now I'm gonna fill the area which I want. And exchange this. Again white. We can click this, get black, or can make this red. It's not nice because it's hiding the car. So any color you want, or you can make with the eyedropper the same color. Click on OK. Just fill. So black color is nice. So I'm going to the move tool, and the move tool's shortcut is V. So, and that's all. And actually, rectangular marquee tool is there. If you right click on that, there are so many tools. I will teach about that tool in the second episode. So I have made this by using this rectangular marquee tool. And this video is not the full course. This is just episode 1. I will post more episodes about Photoshop, and I will finish the full course of Photoshop. But the full course I'm not gonna teach in this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified if I upload any new videos. So if you get notified, you can see my new videos and you can see the Photoshop videos and you can learn Photoshop. So that's all we can do from marquee, rectangular marquee tool. I hope you now know how to use rectangular marquees tool and what all we can do with rectangular marquees tool. Okay friends, bye. Signing off by BBPraveen.